I probably should have started with this one. This is slightly bigger. Yeah. V-Gates, everybody, thank you so much for watching. We are here yet again. Run the intro. We don't need the intro. Screw the intro. It's a Monday. Gear Day Monday. You're welcome. Any particular flow? Flow. First of all, what's Gear Day all about? Gear Day here, we just unbox, review, and just share thoughts about gear. The word gear itself is very subjective, but sometimes the things we consider to be gear are not really gear, and the things we don't consider to be gear are actually gear. So the word gear, way too big. Gear. I have these lights, I have the camera, I have another camera, I have lights, I'm all over the place, guys. I have what they call gear. Now I found myself in a situation where I had everything that was considered gear and I couldn't make content. A while back, my laptop charger, this guy just stopped functioning. Now when this charger gave up, everything that I had that cost me a couple thousands of euros was useless because I shot almost everything. Yeah, I could actually shoot, but I couldn't edit shit, so you guys couldn't see stuff for a couple of weeks. What exactly is gear? But now there are those funny small tiny things that we take for granted as content creators. That small tiny thing that helps you be efficient and do your job that you usually take for granted. Packet straight out of DHL. I got this off of an app called brighten. So everything that you use to create content is gear. So now that I feel a little bit more empowered as a content creator, that my other gear, this is my charger. This is going to be for my MacBook, and it has this adapter thing that is cool in case you have like an older model of a laptop, which I don't, but it's good to have that as well. That was smooth. That was a smooth, wow. Of course I can just pull it out, but I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, this is the magic mouse. Again, I'm trying to stress the fact that everything is gear. Everything. This is a magic mouse too, because I left mine on the plane. Yeah, in most of the particular jobs now in 2024, you find yourself using a mouse. It doesn't have to be the magic mouse, it could be any other type of mouse. Any mouse, mice. These are some of the things that we usually take for granted. You know, no one ever says the job that the mouse does. You ever thought about if a computer was there and everything you had to do was like in like command prompt and you had to like code? The smaller things that seem so tiny and irrelevant. Chill, bro. Like the charger of your camera, like the charger of your batteries. But yeah, this is the magic mouse 2. Cool stuff. What you get the magic mouse, how to use the mouse. Whether using a mouse or trackpad, potato, I'm just saying, let's appreciate these small things that we usually take for granted. A banker will not bank shit without a mouse. They'll have to learn the whole command line for them to even make a basic deposit. How stressful is that? Oh, that feels good. That feels so good. From Nadine Venk. I am super pumped and super excited. It's still very brand new in the sense that he never opened it. Yeah, so turns out this was a gift to Nadine Venk. He got this as a gift when he was switching from Mac to Windows. I don't know who that who does that. How do you change from Mac to Windows? What's that? You already know. Greeted by the lightning cable. Wow. I've used this before, and this is one of the most soft, simple, basic, straightforward keyboards to ever exist. Ever seen a keyboard that you can flip like this? This is one thing you'll buy, put on your desk, and never move again, and all you do. I think that's completely unfair. I think we need to appreciate these things. Wake up one random Sunday and just wipe it clean. That's the best. That's the simplest thing you can do for a keyboard. And I think without this keyboard and without this mouse, I bet you can't edit shit. We need to go back and reflect. We need to go back to the basics. This is where we begin from. This is the basic. If anyone talks of the basics, this is what I mean, a mouse and a keyboard. All it does is take the beating, and they never complain. It's on a rare occasion you find that keyboards are either spoiled or it's not functioning, or so today's video was really majorly dedicated to these kinds of gadget. Chargers. Talking of chargers, just the cable. You thought about how important your cable is? Has it ever crossed your mind to just think about how without these, some of us might just be jobless? Yeah, so for me, the idea of the charger getting spoiled threw me back a couple of steps to just start appreciating the basic, tiny, cool equipment that we actually use, what we call gear, the smaller gear that we just don't pay attention to. This is the Apple keyboard, the shorter version. There's one with the numeric numbers, but I'm a designer, not a banker, so I might not need so many numbers. Anyhow, that's more like it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. The gear day today was dedicated to these small basic tools that we take for granted way so often. I think we need to go back to the basics and appreciate these things. Forget the camera. The new EOS R7, 10, 12 keyboard. Smart devices now have keyboards and they are based off of this. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate Gear Day every day. No, not every day. It's every Monday. Gear Day Monday. Gear Day Monday. Gear Day. That's a cool name. Talking about equipment, reviewing gear, talking about gear, using gear Day Monday. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. Let me know what you think. If any of you has that small thing, maybe a piece of like gear that you can actually think of, that you think you may be taken for granted, let me know in the comment section below what that could be, and maybe you can drop me any comments that you think about the video. If you're into this kind of stuff, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you again next Monday discussing more gear. Gear Day Monday.